Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode. Big congratulations if you took those trades yesterday. Bitcoin pumped like crazy the last few hours. The reason for the pump is the Fed announced that it was a 75 basis point interest rate increase, which is what the market expected. And the market reacted amazingly well. Facebook also announced that almost 50% of the world, 3 billion people, use one of their products every month. And the entire Nasdaq moved up with this Tesla pump, Meta pump. Ethereum went up 17% yesterday. Bitcoin had a huge pump. All the drops that happened the last few days have been completely erased back into gains, which is beautiful. Congratulations if you took the video yesterday, because I called Bitcoin on that long, so amazing. Hit that subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up thumbs up, and we're going to go into the Fed, go into MetaMask, go into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you the trades that I would have taken. I'll show you my portfolios as well, up around $60,000 last night or more, which is amazing. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals and Bitcoin. Look at that pump the last 4 hours, and this movement was huge here. The market reacted amazingly well. We went from 21,400 all the way to 23,000, $1,500 pump. And if you took that video yesterday, perfectly massively in the profits. We went from exactly where I opened that video all the way up to, so a huge percentage. Let's see how much of a percent gain, but it was 10% gain without leverage, so almost 100% gain with leverage. So if you risked 585, you would made 2,295 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it'll be 22,000 profits. I would move now my stop loss into profits, everyone. Move your stop loss into profits. The target is still the top of this channel, which is 23,457, but move your trade into profits if you took that yesterday. On the 4 hour, let's look on the weekly. Stochastic extremely oversold, turning to head up. That's when you want to be buying, everyone. When the stochastic is extremely oversold on the weekly, for example, here was the point to be selling when I called the day of the top on November 11th. You can see down here the stochastic is extremely overbought, turning to head down. Here was a point to be selling when the stochastic was overbought and turned to head down at that 45k. Here is the time to be buying, in my opinion, when the stochastic is very oversold, turning to head up. So we're going up now, volume coming in. That channel is, look at that weekly candle. It's only been 3 days, but it had a wick down to 20,700, big bounce back. So on the 4 hourly, on the daily, stochastic is overbought or midway, turning to head up. We're back at the top of this channel, and it's looking bullish because why? We made higher highs on Bitcoin and we made a higher low. So that's a very bullish thing for Bitcoin. On the 4 hourly, stochastic was extremely oversold yesterday, a massive movement up, and now it's overbought on the 4 hourly. A huge pump. But the thing is, a lot of the sellers, they got freaked out yesterday. They got freaked out a lot of the last few months. So there's going to always be a lot less selling pressure. And look at this buying volume that came onto Bitcoin yesterday on the day of the Fed meeting. Very nice buying volume. So the target is still 24k on the hourly. Overbought as well, a lot of volume coming in 15 minutes. So what I would do now is the two trades that I would take, I would still go long here with the stop loss below the weekly. So I'd open a long, just a little bit of a pullback to support, stop loss below the weekly, and the take profit at the top of this the previous high at 24,000. That will give me a nice short-term risk to reward ratio trade, risking 300. So opening the trade at 22,763, stop loss at 22,460, take profit at 24,300. So I'd risk $300 to make $1,600 without leverage. With 10x leverage, I'd make $16,000 of profits. That's the short-term trade that I would take on Bitcoin, which I'm going to share in the free Telegram group. And congratulations everyone in the Telegram group, huge gains. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin, 5.2 ratio trade. So that's a nice one. For a longer term trade, I would actually take the same trade, but with the take profit at 30,000, and this gives us an epic risk to reward ratio of 24, risking 300 to make 7,500 without leverage. With 10x leverage, I'll be $75,000 of profits. So I would take both those trades. I'm going to make a second one so we have both of them. Those are the trades. I would set a small short-term long with that take profit, and a long-term long, but I'd make the stop loss a little bit lower, below the supports, and the take profit all the way out at the 30k target. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin, those two trades here. This one and this one. You can pause the video to see them. Those are the trades I would take. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, now I'm going to show you my trades, and I'm going to make show you my students massive gains. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under this video, go down to Bybit, use this link and sign up. Everyone do that now. Go down below, sign up to Bybit using this link to trade Bitcoin short, long, and to buy altcoins, to trade altcoins, to buy spot of Bitcoin and Ethereum. The link is down in the description down below. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus. If you signed up with anyone else's Bybit account link, don't create another account. Go down below, create an account using this link and sign up with mine. Get that bonus, and then you also join my trading team. So I want everyone under me in this account, so we're all trading all together as one big unit, as a crypto guru. Go down below, sign up below. You get that $4,450 bonus, and join the Telegram live alerts group. Yesterday I made huge gains. So this account now has, in this Bybit account, once you sign up, I've got $434,000 US in here. It's up around $30,000 since yesterday, which is beautiful. I've got Bitcoin 6.7, 154,000, USDC 136,000, Solana 91,000. Solana having a massive 10% pump, erasing all losses. My Bitcoin long is up $8,699 in profits, 8,700, 146%. It's a $53,000 Bitcoin trade, and unfortunately the Ethereum trade didn't execute, this one for yesterday, by $50. It was going to execute at 1,300, and you can see Ethereum pulled back. Ethereum pulled back just to 1,350. So that trade didn't execute by $50, unfortunately. Look at that. It came down to 1,357. The trade was set at 1,300 for a Bitcoin Ethereum long. That would have been huge in the profits already. Unfortunately, it didn't play out because it didn't hit that target, but that's still bullish for Ethereum. Target is still 1,700, but it can pull back. But on the weekly, on the daily, we're quite oversold. It can pull back, but what a pump that had. Target would be 1,789 for Ethereum. And over on Binance, my account had a massive movement yesterday as well. It's now $488,000 in this account. It was at 440,000 or something, so it's up $48,000 since yesterday, which is beautiful. In here I've got Bitcoin, 9 Bitcoin, 102,000 BUSD, Solana 100,000, fully pumped back the loss, and BNB 72,000. BNB is also up around 8%, and yesterday I bought $30,000 worth of BNB, so that's $3,000 gain from just that trade yesterday. It's beautiful. Now I'm going to show you my gains of my students. This is inside the Telegram. This was yesterday when Bitcoin and Solana, don't miss this. I actually called those trades before the pump, and my students made a lot of gains. This student up 13% on Solana. This student 2%. This student $66, 4% in the profits. This student 500% on an Ethereum Classic long. This student 23% on a Bitcoin long. This student 41% in Solana long. This was just yesterday. This student 72% Bitcoin long. This student 900% on Ethereum Classic long. Congratulations, everyone. And that was just in the chat room yesterday. There's 3,652 people in there. Congratulations, all Bitcoin targets from video hit yesterday. So everyone, 55%. This was just yesterday's gain. So beautiful people making massive gains in the chat room. It's a free Telegram. The link is down below. You can join 4,000 people, trade on Bybit. And in the next video, I'm going to look at Solana, BNB, and Solana, BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin will be the target. That's the trades. That's the longs that I showed you on Ethereum. Now, hit the subscribe button. Join 76,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. I hit 40,000 followers on Twitter. You can find James Crypto Guru on Twitter yesterday. Thank you all. Congratulations all on this. The news was good. The market priced in at 75% base point. The Nasdaq also pumped. It wasn't just crypto, which is very bullish, everyone. The bottom is in my opinion, for stocks and cryptos. I've been talking about this for a while. Coinbase up 11%, Meta up 6.55%, announcing almost hitting the earnings per share, which was 2.89, and almost hitting their revenues for the quarter of 28 billion, which is huge. 6.5% movement. Tesla up 6% yesterday. Nasdaq up 4%. So the market this wasn't just a crypto pump. This was also all markets. This is very good for the Nasdaq because it came close to my target here of 11,100. We moved up. Now, if we can get a breakout here, the Nasdaq is going to 12,700, and if that can break out through that, but that would be a big resistance. The target for the Nasdaq now is here around 4% movement, 12,595. Thank you all for watching. Have a beautiful day, beautiful night. Congratulations, everyone, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.